Hello friends, today we are going to see the coverage testing in software engineering laboratory. Go to the file and select new Java project and name your project and click finish. Now select your project and right click on the project. Select build path and select add libraries and select JUnit. In this select JUnit 5 and click finish. Now right click on SRC and create a package. After creating the package name, click on finish. Now right click on your package and create a class file. I'm going to create two class files named app and app test. So I'm already having my code in my notepad. So I'm directly going to copy paste the code. So if you want the code, I can give the GitHub link in my description. You can go through it. Yeah, this is the code I'm going to select and directly paste in my file. You can fast forward the video if you want. I'm going to just copy the code. So if I want the imports, I will go to my file and select Control Shift O. So automatically all the libraries will be imported. Yes, you can see that. Now right click on app test or project folder. Select coverage as JUnit test. You can see that how much area the coverage has been occurred. Now I am going to convert this Java project into a Maven project. So observe carefully what I am going to do the steps. Right click on the project and select configure convert to Maven project and click finish. The first and foremost thing after converting the Java project to Maven project is changing the pom.xml. So for the pom.xml you can go through my GitHub repo or you can see the code in my screen. I'm going to just copy and paste it. Again I want to add a small plugin that I'm going to copy this plugin and directly adding inside the plugins and carefully do the thing that after updating the pom.xml select alt plus F5 and update your Maven project, or you can go through the steps that right click on the project and select Maven and update Maven. This is the pom.xml, complete pom.xml. If you want you can go through my GitHub link. Now if you want to update step by step you can go to project and as the steps has been displayed in the screen you can go and follow it. Now after configuring the pom.xml, right click on the project and create folder named src slash main slash java and src slash main tester.java. The next thing is you want going to create a package in both of these folders, and in main.java you are just copying the app.java file, and in the same way in test java folder I am going to create the package with the same name and click on finish and configure that copy the same app test.java file into the test folder and app.java into the main folder. Yeah, after adding these files please update the project. Right click on the project, go to Maven and update project. That's it. Now right click on your project, run as Maven test. If you see here, there are so many errors. This is because of old version. If you don't want any errors, just kindly go to the pom.xml and just instead of 0.8.8, just modify 0.8.11 and save your project and again run as maven test. Now you don't see any errors. So if you want to see how much area has been covered, just go to the target folder, select site, select Jacoco, and right click on index.html, select open with web browser. Yeah, you can see that 100% area has been covered. Thank you for watching.